Let's talk contaminants. Face it, in collision, we're not dealing with showroom clean or new finishes. And that means whether it's getting my color reading, prepping panels for a blend, or in final detail for delivery, we're frequently removing contaminants from the refinished surfaces of a vehicle. However, the process of removing those contaminants has traditionally had its own set of issues. Revive by RSG has just released this cool tool, the Contaminate Eliminator Pad. Now, we've been using it here in the shop for a couple of months now, not only just in regular repair situations, but if we're honest, we've detailed just about every personal car we own on the lot. This medium-grade pad is designed with advanced rubber polymer technology, and it replaces the use of a traditional clay bar. It's a 6-inch pad that can be used on a DA or by hand, with no shaping, picking, folding, or molding required. I'm on the areas quickly that I have to do by hand. That may be cleaning up a small spot or just cleaning an area so that I can get a reading with my color camera. When it's a larger need, like a full hood or a bedside panel, working with a larger pad on the DA makes it not only faster, but to be honest, it's just a lot less work for me. Now, let's get to the details. To use the pad, simply lubricate the area to be worked. RSG recommends their Norton Liquid Ice detailing spray, and then polish the area to remove the defect. Similar to how we use a clay bar and the best practices for that. Now, there's a few additional bonuses besides just, saving my shoulders with the labor. The pads will give me 80 to 90 uses on a vehicle compared to 10 or 15 that we get out of a properly used and stored clay bar. I say that because we can all admit to a time where we've left the bar out on a shelf or we've dropped it on the floor of a shop. That means the dust and debris from the shop become embedded in the bar, and you really just can't get that out. And if you use it again, well, I risk etching and damaging the finish. With the Contaminant Eliminator Pad, all I have to do is wash it off with water, and I'm back to work. And remember, you can safely use the pads on glass, molding, plastics, and chrome, which come in handy when I'm working on a car that has an overspray issue. You can easily see why this made our cool tool list. And if you want to learn more about the Revive by RSG Contaminant Eliminator, well, jump on over to the RSG website and sign you and your shop up for the RSG test drive.